What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're getting a close-up look at the Matchbox 50th Anniversary Super Fast Gold Set. Let's open it up and get a close-up look at each one of the cars. And first up is the 1969 BMW 2002. And all of these cars, as you know, are all gold. It's a very nice gold-looking paint job on there. It is the 50th Anniversary Super Fast Matchbox, and your standard information on the back. Let's go ahead and pop this one open, and we can get a close-up look at it. And there it is, beautiful looking gold color, even the gold wheels on there. And on the front, we've got some nice detail, and we also got the 50th Anniversary Superfast logo on the hood of it, which is a really neat touch to it. And this is kind of like a matte finish gold paint job. I'm loving the stripe that goes all the way across the car. Not a lot of detail on the back of it, but pretty standard for your regular Matchbox car. And there it is, BMW 2002. I'm really liking this one so far. And our next car is the 2016 Chevy Camaro Convertible. Wow, that is pretty neat looking in the gold. Great artwork on the cover there. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. We can get a look at this one as well. And there it is, also with the matching gold wheels and that similar colored stripe on there. And then the Matchbox 50th Anniversary Superfast logo is on the back of it right there, right where the convertible top would be. But pretty neat looking car. I mean, gold probably wouldn't be my choice for a Camaro, but the detail on it and the look of it for the set is pretty cool. I like the front end of this car, the nice tempo work for the headlights, and on the back, I mean, a little bit of tempo work on the back, nothing too crazy, but still a bit more detailed than the BMW. And last but definitely not least is the Mercedes G63 AMG 6x6. This is personally my favorite casting ever from Matchbox. I just love this car in real life as well. And the 6x6 is just so cool. I just love how they did that. Check it out, even the blinged out artwork on there as well. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. Get a nice look at this one, and there it is in the gold. That just looks fantastic. I think the gold is most fitting for this car just because this is just a blinging car in real life, and to have the gold on there for this casting is fantastic. Check it out. And from the front end, not too bad. Good detail from the front, and on the back end as well. We got the 50th anniversary logo on the back right there, as you can see. Pretty nice. I love this casting, guys. Again, highlight casting of this set. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite car from the set. Maybe you did like the Camaro, or maybe you did like the BMW more than you liked the Mercedes, like myself. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.